Hi, my name is John Bike, and this is my Google Lit Trip screencast. So it's about my childhood, and hope you like it. So it starts off at my first home in Hesperia, California, which is about an hour from Laverne. As you can see, the house had 2.5 acres of yard. So me and my sister, we would go outside and we'd play. We'd do a lot of stuff out there because we were kids, and that's what we did. We liked to have fun every day. And then I like to talk about my elementary school because that was like I had a great time at elementary school. And my mom taught there as well. I actually had her in fifth and sixth grade, so I thought that was kind of cool. I went to school every day with my mom because she taught there, and I would go home with her. And I even had her. I thought that was pretty cool. And next was Lime Street Park, where I first played baseball. And baseball is huge to me because I still play it now. I love it, and I play it in college. And Lime Street Park is one of the places where I remember where I started to play, and I think that's really important to me because I like where I am now can be traced all the way back to Hesperia, California, Lime Street Park. I think that's really cool. And then Spring Valley Lake Country Club. I actually live there now, and in Spring Valley Lake, my house is right here. This one right here. And this country club, I was a member from like 8 till 14, and we would play. We could play golf there, go swimming, play tennis, and it was a really good time. It was one of the more fun things to do in the high desert, and I'm glad that I was able to do that there and spend time with my family. And then Cedar Middle School. That was I went here after elementary school, and I switched districts, so I didn't have any friends when I got here. I remember sitting by myself at lunch the first few days 'cause I didn't have any friends. But looking back on it, like I'm glad I went to Cedar and I made new friends and I ended up being friends with them through high school, which I went to Oak Hills High School where I went to Oak Hills because it was a good school and because they had a good baseball team and everything worked out really because I think I made a good choice of going there. I don't regret anything about going there and baseball. Everything that I got, everything I needed, I got, and it put me where I am today, which is University of Laverne, where I play baseball and I go to school here, and I'm trying to get my degree and maybe even my master's. So we'll see. I'm glad I'm here now because there's nowhere else I'd really rather be. Um, it's just I'm really blessed to be here now because everything that's happened to me is put me where I am now. There's my family. That was my signing day last year, and I think it was in May, maybe April or May. And like I like this photo because it really signifies like everything that's come together and where I am now. And I'm I I have nothing to complain about. I've been blessed. So thank you for watching. Um, I Yeah, thanks for watching.